Welcome to the funeral program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized and loving memory keepsake products. Today we will be presenting guidelines on how to write a funeral obituary. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making useful and helpful content to assist you during a time of loss. We are never prepared to lose a loved one, but gathering knowledge before it happens can be helpful in your funeral planning. The obituary is one of the most important documents you will need when organizing a funeral or memorial service. It is included within the printed memorial, such as the funeral program, as well as online and newspaper obituary notices. First, you want to include the basic information such as the loved one's full name, date of birth through date of death. The amount of details you want to give is up to you and will depend on how much room you are allotted, online or within the printed memorial. Stating the cause of death may keep you from explaining the circumstances repeatedly, may be included, although this is optional. You may add work history, military service information, special hobbies and clubs, if applicable. List the names of a spouse, life partner, parents, siblings, children, and grandchildren. Also list any deceased immediate family members. Give a brief biographical history, including birthplace and where he or she grew up. Include the place of study or education. Give information about church or religious affiliations, clubs, and organizations that the deceased was a part of. You can also elaborate on hobbies and interests. Other pertinent information to include can be the date and time of the viewing, service location, times and dates, where flowers can be sent to, preferred charities, and where to send any donations, if these apply. Typically, an obituary in the newspaper may or may not include a single photo. The funeral program can contain the same photo or more, if desired. You may find that the newspaper obituary will be more limiting in amount of text allowed, but you can include the obituary within the funeral program in its entirety. So you may want to write the full-length version first, then create a more condensed version for the newspaper. This should be enough information to write a basic obituary. To view examples of written obituaries and how they are placed within a printed memorial, visit our online superstore. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time in our next video, only here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.